Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to take a moment and talk about some of the exciting safety features available on new Kia models. So for several years now, we've had options such as lane keeping assist, blind spot monitors, forward collision avoidance, and now in our new vehicles, there's some even more exciting additions to those and features that build upon them. So for forward collision avoidance, which we've had for a couple years now, which will prevent the vehicle from rear-ending another vehicle if it detects that's imminently about to happen. Now it can detect cyclists, pedestrians in certain models, as well as what's called junction turning assist. So if you're trying to make a left at a stoplight, there's another vehicle that's coming out from behind another vehicle, and basically if you're going to get T-boned by making that left turn, the car will prevent you from doing so. Also available will be lead vehicle departure alert, which if you're stopped at a stoplight, vehicles in front of you and you're stopped as well, if they start to pull away and you don't, the car will give you a little chime if you happen to be distracted before anyone behind you honks. And vehicles like this Nero here, you'll also have automatic high beams. Really, it's getting impressive with what the vehicles are capable of doing. So if you're interested in a vehicle with any of these exciting safety features, just shoot us a call or stop by today.